So let's do Ardha Matsyendrasana. Sit down with the legs straight, back straight. Now bend your left leg at knee. Bring inside of right thigh, and now bend your right knee also, bringing the right foot outside of your left knee. With your left hand hold knee and right hand behind the back. Simply twist. Provide space between stomach and thigh, twisting body. Feel the spinal twist and abdominal twist. Now we'll do the second variation. Raise your left hand up, press the elbow against the knee. Adjust your elbow and again right hand back and twist your body. You can close your eyes and relax. This is the second variation. Just stay and relax. Now the third variation, you can grab your foot and then twist. Breathe normally, feel the twist in the spine and the stomach. Slowly release your hand and slowly release the legs. Slowly come back to the normal position. Now we will do it on the other side with the other legs. Bend your right leg and then the left leg. Bring left foot on the outer side of the right knee and then twist your body gently with the right hand. Pull your knee towards you. Stay there. This is the easy variation. Just feeling twist in the spine. Now we'll do second variation. Right hand up and press the elbow against your knee and then left hand behind. Twist and look back. Stay here. Close your eyes and feel the twist. Now the third variation, grabbing your foot and then twist. Look back. Stay for as long as you feel comfortable. And then slowly come back, raising your hands and release your legs. So these are three variations. You can choose according to your flexibility. And later on you can do the advance.